Today's video is about changing the alternator pulley. The alternator pulley is often responsible for noise and vibrations from the engine or belt, especially from the belt tensioner. A defective pulley can lead to other related parts failures. Open the hood. Jack up the car. Remove front wheels and wheel arch housings. Remove the under tray. Unlock the hood release. Remove the front grille. Remove the bolts from bumper and remove bumper. Insert the sliding pins or long pins. Remove front bumper reinforcement bar. Now bring front into the service position. Here you can see serious engine vibrations caused by a defective alternator pulley, especially at idle speed. Note the sluggish belt and the vibrations in the tensioner arm. The old belt and alternator pulley have been removed, and now we simply install the MEYLE belt and alternator pulley with a special tool while observing the torque specifications. While replacing a defective alternator overrun pulley, also replace the belt tensioner because the tensioner damping element likely sustained damage as well. With a new pulley and belt installed, you see the engine runs with minimal vibrations. After fitting a new pulley, belt and a tensioner, reinstall all the parts in a reverse order. Always observe the manufacturer's recommended torque values. Finally, we must take the car for a test drive.